Hey, lovely mums, if you're breastfeeding, you know how important it is to keep both you and your baby healthy. Today, I'm sharing some top foods to boost your milk supply and keep you feeling fantastic. First up, oats. Not only are they super easy to make, but they're packed with iron and fiber, which can help boost milk production. Try a warm bowl of oatmeal or some delicious oat cookies. Next, we have spinach. This leafy green is full of essential nutrients like calcium, iron, and folate. Toss it into salads, smoothies, or even your morning omelette. Your body will thank you. Now let's talk about almonds. These little nuts are rich in protein and healthy fats, making them a perfect snack. Plus, they can help increase milk supply. Enjoy them raw or add almond butter to your toast. Don't forget about salmon. It's one of the best sources of DHA, a type of fat important for your baby's brain development. Grill it, bake it, or even enjoy it in a sushi roll. And finally, hydration is key. Drinking plenty of water is crucial for milk production, so keep a water bottle handy throughout the day. Herbal teas like fenugreek or fennel can also be a great addition. Remember, every mum's body is different, so it's all about finding what works best for you. Listen to your body and enjoy these nourishing foods. You've got this, mama. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and support on your motherhood journey. See you next time.